Our main purpose in presenting this film is to show you two wonderful young ladies. Here they are.
Yeah, say 2694, Mr. Duffy's line.
Right.
That's the way he wants it answered.
All right.
Okay?
Yes.
And just remember, don't let them ring too long.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Good. Thanks, well, I'll be in my office.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Richmond and Grady Incorporated, Budget Advisors.
Al
Hello.
Martino here. Al Martino, this is Al's Plumbing.
Will you hold on just a minute, please?
Sure, be glad.
Al's Plumbing Service. Hello.
Hello, Al, please. My sink is running over. I need him right away.
Can you, just a minute. What is your name, please?
My name is Miss Buchanan.
Buchanan.
Yes,
Okay, as soon as he comes in, I'll tell him to call you.
thank you.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, can I help
Yeah, this is Al Martino, plumbing supply.
you? Yes.
Yeah.
What
I just
can
want
I
to know
do?
if anybody called.
Oh, no, not yet, Al. I'm sorry. When they call, I'll let you know.
Thanks very much.
Hello, Amiga Office Machines. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to check on the order that you have.
Will you hold on just a minute, please? James. Hello? Al's Plumbing?
Hello, this is
Hold on a
Tony.
minute, please.
Hello, this is Tony.
946, Mr. Duffy's line. Can I help you?
Tell Duffy I want to meet him for lunch on Thursday at the Algonquin, and this is Ralph.
Just a minute, please.
Got that?
No. Your name is Ralph? Hello? Oh, he hung up.
Hello, this is Tony. This is Tony. I want the 94-inch drape instead of... Hello? This is Tony. With the lane is
Who is
draping. I'm out on a job in Queens, Queens Boulevard.
Yes.
I got the 90-inch drape, I need the 94. You
Oh, all right. You need the 94-inch, or just a minute.
94 instead of a 90.
Need a minute. For the next four. Hello? Hello? Yes, he has a few minutes.
Did you give him my number?
Yes, I did. I'm sorry, I didn't. All the phones are ringing. He'll be calling in a few minutes, and I will.
You sure you won't? Because my sink's on all.
Yes, I promise. Hold on.
Do you have it?
Hello, Richmond and Grady.
Hello, Bill Grady here. My brother calling. How you doing, girl, huh? How you doing there, honey?
Fine, it's a
Yeah?
little busy. I'm
Oh, I bet
sorry.
it is, yeah? Well, if my brother calls me, tell him I'm at Billy's bar, okay?
Billy's
Right across the
what do you...
street.
Oh, drunk as
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
This is Mr. Harwell. Any messages for me?
Yes, I think you just lost a customer. He said buy 500 Arabian Manila, and he's furious that you didn't buy the 600 shares of R&B rubber and the 200 Colombian steel.
Oh, my God. Colombian coffee.
Hold on, please.
I can't hold on,
No,
man.
not you. I was talking to
I
somebody
can't
else.
hold on.
I'm not talking to you.
Listen, Santa,
Yes.
you must tell that man not to buy that Arabian Manila.
Well, don't buy it.
Are you under my employ, miss? Hello?
No, I'm not. I'm here temporarily. That's why I can take the liberty of telling you this.
You know what also? I can take the liberty of telling you something, too.
Be nice. I'm in town.
I'll be very nice. You're on a very famous television show right now called Candid Camera. And that's why there's all this madness.
You're kidding.
If you look straight ahead, you'll see the Candid Camera and give a big smile to everyone out there.
Where? I don't even see it. Where?
Right through that little glass.
Oh, well, I can see myself.
You have me on, my dear,
And this is so funny. I thought I would have a chance to eat my orange in my pocket.
Well, I hope you get a chance.
Do I have to answer the phones anymore?
We were just about to ask you. My secretary has left for good, I think. We'd like to ask you if you'd like the job full time.
Oh, my God. This job? No, thank you.
Well, now, we're very happy to announce that the two ladies who just performed so valiantly are right here in our studio audience tonight, and we would like them to take a bow, if they will, please. First of all, Miss Carol Mansour, and then Miss Geraldine Feldman.